moving house into a new neighborhood often means understanding local resident parking permits now so you avoid fines on moving day. Start by contacting the local parking authority or town hall at least 2 weeks before the move to learn exact permit rules and required documents such as proof of residency, vehicle registration, and a valid driving license. If your move date is sooner than that, many places offer expedited permit processing for an extra fee, so ask about timelines and available options. Register every vehicle that will be parked on the street at the new address and keep digital and printed copies of confirmation while movers are present. Learn street cleaning and alternate side parking schedules by checking the municipality web pages and by walking the block if possible so you do not block scheduled cleaning times. Arrange temporary guest parking passes or a short-term loading permit for the hours your movers will be on site and display them clearly in the vehicle windshields. Finally, prepare a simple parking map for your movers that highlights legal zones, no parking areas, and driveways to speed unloading and reduce risk of citations. 3 common mistakes are assuming curb parking is allowed without checking local rules, waiting until moving day to apply for permits, and not communicating parking plans to movers. If you assume curb parking is free, you may get a ticket within minutes, so confirm regulations beforehand and obtain the correct permits. If you wait until moving day, permit offices may be closed or overwhelmed, so apply early or secure a short-term permit alternative. If movers are not given clear parking instructions, they can block fire hydrants or private driveways. So create and share a concise parking plan and show permits clearly in vehicle windows. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to parking needs and moving services. We also host a discussion community where neighbors and moving professionals share practical tips and local permit experiences to make moves smoother for everyone.